Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video we're going to talk about some of the activities that you can do with your children when it's snowing outside. Today is a perfect day because it's snowing, it's December. I thought that maybe we could use some of the snow that we have outside because my little boy is sleeping right now. So I think that my daughter, my kindergarten, can play a little bit inside with the snow before we go and make another activity. So here is what we are going to need. We're going to need to pick up some of the snow that we have outside, and because it has snowed all the night, I think there's enough snow to play. So we have this IKEA table that has some bins on it, so we are using those bins to play, and we're using some food coloring and some cookie cutters, and also she will be using some of the Playmobil toys so she can pretend that she's playing with those little people inside the snow, pretend playing and sensory playing as well. So here she started playing with the Playmobil people and then started to bury them, and mostly was sensory play. And she also brought some of the sand play toys so she could make some shapes and use the shovels to move the snow around so she won't get that cold. We could also play making like snowballs, so the little people will be playing like making a snowman. So I tried to make a snowman there. They could pretend that there was a snowman there, and I used a marker, but it didn't work to put the eyes, and she kept playing with those. Started shoveling the snow and trying to make like a plain surface so she could put the little toys in there as well. Brought some more toys. This time I brought some of the cookie cutters that I got at the dollar store, and we started making some shapes with using the snow. started burying the little people toys or the Playmobil toys. She started like just burying them and tried to put them under the snow. We added some food coloring to give some fun to this snow with a poly color. So she started using all the colors of food coloring that we had, and she just started to mix the colors up. First, you need to make sure that when the kids are using the snow, the real snow, for a lot of time, you need to watch their fingers so they don't get like frozen. They need to like just stop a little bit, or if you feel better, you can just put them their snow gloves, but it will be difficult for them to like really make shapes and play with little toys. So just try to make it fun for them, but be careful and be aware that obviously the snow will be very, very cold. Maybe you can just bundle them up so they are not cold on their bodies, but they can still keep playing with the snow. She started to take some breaks, and then she came back and kept playing with the snow. I hope you liked this video, and if you do, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. See you the next time. Bye bye.